friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, whether you're a subscriber or a brand new viewer, I'm glad to have you. It's Saturday morning and I have a few things laid out that I'm going to work on, and I just wanted to show you my UFOs, unfinished objects, for card gift packs and what I've been working on. I watched a whole bunch of videos about making boxes. You can make boxes out of cardstock, all sorts of things, but I've been working on giving cards in a package, and up until now I had been using quite a few of these clear bags. If you have a friend that's a quilter, be sure and let them know that you'd like the bags their quilt blocks come in. When we went on all those shop hops, we got these bags. Most of them don't have any stickers or labels on them. They're beautifully clean, and my quilter friend wasn't that interested in them, so I took them. You can put about a half dozen cards in them. They're good for, I'll take one, fill it up, and keep it in my purse, and then when I see a friend, I'll give her one. Those work great. I don't know, I don't want to mail in these. I wanted something a little more sturdy, or if it was an actual birthday gift or celebration, something cute. So I started looking around, and there were different journal ideas. So I adapted a journal idea into more of a box with an end, and this is out of Shoebox material. And I took the end of the box and wrapped it. And on this one, I didn't really think it through, so I cut off the ends and had to reattach them. And I used scrapbook paper and a ribbon and magnet. And this was my first magnet project, so I would do it a little differently. And then the lid, I used some of this paper that I have from our paint pouring days. I love this one the way it is, but it's not for me. I might doodle on the top or decorate it a little more, then I'll fill it up and give it away. I was thinking about, you could make the cards match, the box match the cards and make it all a gift pack, or you could make the box more to the personality of the person you're giving it to, and then they could keep it around, and it could be, if it's somebody you give cards to frequently, they could return it, you can refill it, or they can just refill it when you give it to them. So there's that one. And the bags. Then this one, after I got a little smarter, I made it much easier on myself. This one I haven't finished decorating. I just wanted to show it to you while it was still fairly recognizable. This is just, and it's a tight fit, so I like that. I'll stay close. It's the lid to a shoebox, and I have a couple shoe boxes here so I can show you. What I did was I cut right here, and then I cut out some of these sections and folded it over. Now, the size of the shoebox, I think, varies a lot. This one, I used the whole entire length of the shoebox. I didn't cut anything out, and the width of it. So all I had to do was cut out some middle sections, and then I didn't even use any fancy scoring tools. I just took a ruler and put it there and went and folded it. So I think that one's pretty neat. You have to have shoebox lids. So hello friends, I'm out of shoebox lids. This one, I need to return the shoes, so I probably can't use it. And I think it will vary. On this one, this box seems so long. I have really big feet. I probably wouldn't use the whole length of it, so I might have to cut it down. And this one is pretty wide. So if I was using A2 size cards, which I typically make, this one might be a little sloppy, but I was thinking too, it might be neat to give it as a gift with like a nice pen in the box. And sometimes the pens are longer than the cards anyway. So you might want to use this one. If you don't have shoe boxes, you can use cereal boxes or other tag board, real thick cardboard products. If I was going to try with a cereal box, I might glue 2 layers together. But you have tons of trash and tons of paper, so try something. This one, I was trying to decide how to decorate it. I think I'm going to take this alcohol paper that I tested and put it on here, and maybe edge it with the silver washi tape or some black polka dots, one of those. That's a UFO for today. I was also thinking about, it's fall, so if you think you don't have embellishments, go outside, get some leaves, press them in an old book. I think I just left these in the book for a week, and they're ready. I was thinking about gluing them on top. I would lighten up the background probably to give them more contrast. I don't know that these would hold up very well, so I'm probably going to put these on a card because I've never tried gluing leaves to a card and not covering up before. But they might be cute on there. But I really liked this just because it's a good size for it and I wouldn't need to cut it down. So I was thinking about that. I also have, for decorating these boxes if I wanted to, many of you have a silhouette or a cricket. I have an excessive amount, can you see that? And I have 2 sheets of these, of white stars. I purchased these because before I had access to a silhouette, I purchased them on Amazon. You can always go, and they're just vinyl stars. You can search and find them. And a sheet was $12, and it was full when I got it. And they do the weeding, it's called weeding, where they, all the junk was gone, so only the stars were on the sheet. I purchased them because sadly my older dog ran into the sliding glass door the day we were moving into our new house. Full bore, she had no idea it was there, and we realized sliding glass doors were not going to work for her. So I bought large stars. I'll show you because it sounds crazy, but it doesn't look too bad. Okay, try not to get dizzy. I bought large stars and put them on the doors. You see that? So we have 2 sliding glass doors in our house, and both sliding glass doors have stars on them, so she can tell when they're shut. So these are the remains, and it wasn't that I just went online and bought stickers. It was, I had a safety need for them. I tried Post-its, but they kept falling off, and they were a little tacky. Not sticky, just, you know, not pretty. So those are my projects for today that I wanted to show you. If you want to see a process video on one of these, go ahead and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, or if you have ideas about how I should decorate the top of this one, because I haven't decided yet. I also have much more of the paint pouring stuff, so I haven't decided yet, but I do need to. Some of my friends are complaining that they don't have cards, and I actually have a pretty good stash of them right now, so I thought I'd fill up these boxes and get them out. I hope you have time for crafting and relaxing today, and that you're having a fabulous week. All right, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye-bye.